गेहूं या चावल, ये लगभग 80 करोड़ लाभार्थियों को अगले 3 महीनों तक मिलेगा और इसमें इनको 1 रुपया भी अपनी तरफ से नहीं देना है। ये अतिरिक्त लाभ इनको दिया गया है। ऐसे 80 करोड़ लाभार्थी जिनको 5 किलो गेहूं या चावल अगले 3 महीने तक ये लगातार मिलेगा, अतिरिक्त मिलेगा जो उनको मिलता है उससे ज्यादा, और ये जो पीडीएस के सिस्टम के माध्यम से मिलता है उसके अलग से ये देने हैं। और इसके अलावा जो दाल इनको मिले तो 1 किलो दाल का प्रावधान भी परिवार के लिए किया गया है और ये भी अगले 3 महीनों तक लगातार मिलती रहेगी। ये भी अपने क्षेत्र के अनुसार जिस तरह की दाल वो चाहते हैं वो उपलब्ध करवाने का सरकार का प्रयास रहेगा ताकि उनकी मांग के अनुसार ही वो उनको मिल सके। तो गेहूं चावल के साथ साथ दाल भी मिलेगी और ये 1,70,000 करोड़ के जो पीएम गरीब कल्याण पैकेज है उसका हिस्से का एक पार्ट ये भी है।
Now I move over to the cash transfers. Just for your convenience, under the cash transfer, which is largely based on DBT, there are 8 specific announcements being made. And for your benefit, in the sense so that it is easy for you to notice, which are the sections we are touching? We are touching the farmer. One, I'll tell you the details. We are touching the Manrega, which is the second. Third will be widows, poor pensioners, and poor Divyang. That will be my third. Then we will be talking about the Jan Dhan Yojana related women who have Jan Dhan Yojana accounts. Then we are talking of, together with that, I like to also talk about women and householders who receive benefits under the Ujjwala scheme. So that will be getting covered. You are also going to be having something said for the self-help group women who particularly are dealing with National Rural Livelihood Missions, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Livelihood Mission. So women in the SHG groups. Then you're talking about organized sector workers who are essentially through the EPFO. So I'll be telling something for them. Then we'll also be talking about construction workers, and lastly we will be talking something about the district mineral fund also. So I go to the first one, farmers. Farmers, you know, they receive 6,000 rupees annually from the PM Kisan Yojana, Kisan Samman Nidhi, through which they get their annual 6,000 rupees. We will now be giving the first installment of that as a front-loaded matter so that even at the beginning of the year they will get 2,000 rupees. This will benefit immediately 8.69 crore farmers, 8.69 crore farmers will get immediate benefit out of this.
जहां मैंने पहले